Hello everyone, a quick update on PGP, that is Prelims Guidance Program. So we have a released timetable for the next 3 months, and if you look at timetable, it has been designed in such a way that first static subject will be covered, or you can say that the syllabus has been aligned with the main paper syllabus, that is what is there in paper 1, let's say ancient culture, ancient India, medieval India, art and culture, modern India, geography. This will be covered first, followed by polity and governance, then government schemes as well as international knowledge. After that, we will move on to economy. After that, environment and science and tech. So basically, it has been aligned with your main syllabus paper-wise, so that anybody who is preparing for their mains, they can also do the prelims preparation along with the mains preparation. So that was the core idea behind it. Now, if you look at them, basically, each subject initially has been, taken a lot of time for, ancient India, medieval India, and modern India, and these kind of subjects where, you need more time to study as they are more factual, right? So, and along with that, once a subject is over, then on the next Thursday, that is the coming Thursday, will be always, there will be a test of 100 questions based on the same topic that we have discussed in the previous week, right? By doing so, you will understand, what exactly that has to be studied or how you have gone through. And this question paper that we set will be purely from the standard textbooks or standard materials along with NCERTs. Right. So you get a fair idea what is there in NCERT and what is there in the standard book, how have we covered. And this will be run till October. So by October, you would have covered your basics, right? That is going through all the subject ones. That is the phase 1 of this program. In the phase 2, we build on this and move towards more, building the logics, building the skill level. That can happen only when your basics are very strong. So initially, we are not mixing up both together. So first, once all the subjects are over, you can interlink subject-wise also. Right? The interlinking of inter-subject also will be helpful in eliminating the option and getting the answer. So in the first round, we are not having any skill-based kind of sessions till we finish all the subject ones through our basics. In the phase 2, we will move to it. Along with that, CSAT will go parallelly, right? So with respect to CSAT, and initially how you are supposed to prepare, this video has been made. Along with that, daily MCQs will be start putting, from the coming week, right? That will also be available on your Telegram channel, but it will not be available on the website. So those who have not registered yet, please register so that you can attend the test and you can see your performance, right? So, and also, in the description of this video, you have a Telegram group or Telegram channel of both PGP as well as Conquer CSAT, and both you have to join so that you can get the question of CSAT in the groups as well as the videos. And whatever that extra material that I feel it is important, that will also be given in that Telegram channel itself, right? So that's it, guys. So hope you will make best use of it. See you soon in the session. Thank you.